Today I'm going to teach you how to export as PNG in Figma. This is essential when you need to share your designs as image files or use them in presentations and documents. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open your Figma application. Once you have Figma running, navigate to and open the project that contains the design you want to export as a PNG. This could be any design file you've been working on, whether it's a logo, a user interface mockup, or any other graphic element. Now look over to the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find the export options. Locate the section labeled export and you'll notice a plus icon right beside it. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This action will add an export option to your design, allowing you to specify the format and settings for your export. After clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can select the file format for your export. Click on this drop-down menu and make sure it's set to PNG. Figma offers various export formats like JPG, SVG, and PDF, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on PNG, which is perfect for maintaining quality while keeping file sizes reasonable. Before you proceed with the final export, you have the option to preview how your design will look as a PNG file. Simply click on Preview. This step is helpful because it lets you verify that everything appears exactly as you want it before saving the file. Take a moment to ensure the quality and appearance meet your expectations. Once you're satisfied with the preview and everything looks good, it's time to finalize the export. Click on the Export button. A dialog box will appear prompting you to input a file name. Choose a name that clearly identifies your design so you can easily find it later. After entering the file name, click Save. Your PNG file will now be saved to your chosen location on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Figma design as a PNG file, ready to be used wherever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.